Hello and welcome back to Mr. Sammy Dodger. Today I'll be carrying on with Wordcutter. Alright, so let's get started. I'll show you what we have so far. I'm going to type Axel Smee. Okay, which was Axel Smee? This was a number you remove. We only did one last time, so one. Axel Smee. So that's done. Now notice if we type rel, we do 3, it doesn't know what to do, so because we haven't done it, so that's what we're going to fix today. Yeah, just kidding. Alright, so now I'm going to do something called elif. I'm going to make an if statement, yes, if statement tutorial for another of that. So elif, which is basically checks for a second specific one, which is different to else and checks for any other thing. Number slice equals 2. What we want to do is, because we want 0, we're going to print word enter 0. So that's the first one of word enter. So for example, if I did U, so that would be 0 because it goes 0, that's the Y, then O is 1, and then U is 2. So 0 is the first one. So first one, but we don't want the second one. So then if it doesn't, because it doesn't do the very, it starts. What happens is it starts from the first number. So we want 3, don't we? Our then at the end. Now we're using a technique called slicing here. And slicing, what that does is it gets a string and basically literally chops it up. That's why I called it Wordcutter. Alright, so I'll save that and I'll run it. Oh yeah, Suzy. So that's French for mouse. I don't know how to say mouse. So I'm going to type in Rexy number 2 re. Notice it did the second one and the third one. Now that is because we need to do, actually, I don't know why, we actually need to do 2 all the way up until the end, basically, or 2 until 11. So now, if we run this, if I save that, and run it, Rexy now, I'm going to do 2 to test it, Rooksy. There you go. Notice if I type hashtag stop, it doesn't stop because it just thinks I chose hashtag stop. Alright, so now I know that works. We're just going to copy this. Copy that and I'll paste it. So if it is 3, print number 0. So the first and the second one, which is basically number 0 and number 1, all the way this time into 3, 11. So basically now all the numbers are going to go up, except for the 0, of course. So now this is going to be, let's check something. it's actually here. Needs to be 0, 2. So then actually, this number here should be 1 less than this number here. So it should be 2, that's 4. So it should be 3. And then this should be the number that they typed in. And yeah, just keep going with that, and you will have created it. I'm just going to carry on with it. 5, 4, 5. It's 6, 5. That needs to be 6. This needs to be 7. This needs to be 6. And this needs to be 7. You can pause it if you want. Now this one is going to be, if it's 10, we're going to make it so it's all the way up until 9, and let's do 10, which is basically number 1. Yeah. Alright, so now we need to do something different. Elif number slice is is hashtag stop. Remember the capital S. I don't know, it's fun to have a capital S. You don't have to. What we want to do is, because we're in a loop, remember, up here, we're in a loop, we're just going to print bye. Thanks for playing. Like that, something like that. And then what we're going to do is something called break. That actually ends your program, basically, when it stops the loop running, because we've only got a while true loop. It's going to break that loop, isn't it? If we had another while true loop going print diggida, it would keep printing diggida, wouldn't it? But if I wrote break here, it would stop that, but it would keep the other bit running, I think. I haven't tested it, but anyway. Also, if word enter is, oh, why did I do that? Stop. Print by. Thanks for playing. Exclamation mark there. Like that. And then of course we need to break. Now watch this. You see, now that's also there. So it just carries on with the thing. If I do 3, then if I finally close the 3 brackets. It's quite fun actually. Thanks for playing. It is quite fun. But we don't need to do that. We just need 1. Alright, let's test this. I'm going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10 letters. Let's do 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should who's unveiled with the 1 now. Hey! Who's invite? Now watch. If I type hashtag stop, remember the capital S. Okay, you could hashtag stop. I don't know why it did that. If number slides is hashtag stop, or if word enter is hashtag stop. I don't really know that. Well, that's... Oh. Anyway, if I do Snoop did all that. Okay, you just hashtag stop. I don't know why I was doing that. Bye, thanks for playing. That's weird, it only does it in the number slice input. Maybe it's just my thing, because my thing is completely crazy. Anyway, that's our game. Hope to see you. I'm going to try and carry on with the sneak game. Bye for now.